Welcome to my show. Today I'm again getting some exciting guest with lot of energies, good positive energies. Well, it's none other than Anmol. So I just want to explore your this table, which is giving me a very vibration feeling. Let me tell you very frankly. So can you just explain the theory of crystal, why you have decorated your table like this, or one can do that in their homes also?
Yeah, actually crystals are keeping energies.
Yeah,
Okay?
these are the crystals you have.
Yeah.
These are all crystals.
These all are crystals, okay, and they are actually keeping energies. Okay.
So one by one, can you explain the name of the crystals, what they do, and how?
Yeah. This is the amethyst. Okay. This is the connected to the Bros chakra.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So if we keep it, what benefits we will get?
Yeah, if you keep it this, there is a lot of form. You can wear bracelets, or you can wear, or you can keep it in your table or somewhere.
What's the name of this?
Amethyst.
Amethyst. Okay.
Yeah. This helps in meditation. Okay, you can connect to the higher power energy.
Okay.
You are doing meditation or something, then it will help you to connect the universe.
Okay.
Okay, and also this crystal giving you the clarity of mind, clarity in thoughts, and it will make you calm and peace.
You can keep it this crystal anywhere in the home, or there is a
anywhere. There is no specific
vastu or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is this, ma'am? This one.
is the clear quartz actually. Okay. This is also used for clarity. This is related to the moon energy. Okay, and this is also giving you the clarity. It make you calm and relax. Okay.
This is so different and attractive. This is also crystal?
Yeah, this is also crystal.
Okay. Mostly we feel when the crystals are there, they are white in color.
Yeah.
But there is a different variety of crystals are available. So what this crystal name is, what this crystal
It's a
do?
money magnet.
Okay.
It's, if you're keeping in your house or in your wallet or in your cash.
To attract money,
Yeah.
you can have, what is the name of that crystal?
Money magnet.
Money magnet.
Yeah.
Okay, from where we can
Abundance.
get this?
You can get this from anywhere.
Anywhere. From the astrology shops or,
Yeah.
okay.
But crystal should be charged by Grandmaster Reiki.
Okay.
Then it will help you.
Help you.
If you are keeping without charge, then it
It
won't
will
help.
not work, right. So then you need a tarot readers.
Yeah.
Astrologers. This is
Healer
what?
actually.
Healers.
This is also
Wow.
amethyst.
Amethyst.
Yeah.
Okay, this is
there
also
is
crystal.
there is so many shapes actually in crystal. Yeah,
So what's the name of this crystal?
amethyst.
What?
Like same
Okay,
amethyst.
same thing. This
Yeah.
is the same. This one is
No, this is the rose quartz.
Okay.
And this is the clear quartz.
so how it works?
Rose quartz works in relationship.
Okay.
Okay. Whoever the person is hurt in relationship, trauma in relationship, if someone is having problem in relationship, husband, wife, relationship, then it will help.
How it will help? Like we have to take this and charge and keep it where? Like how we
Keep
need
it-
to use this?
Keep it in your pillow, inside the pillow.
This much big stone
Yeah.
or a small size?
Small size you have to wear in your hands,
Okay.
like I am wearing it.
Okay, like bracelets also you
Yeah.
can wear.
Yeah.
Okay.
In bracelet form, I suggest.
Okay.
If someone is
In a bad relationship.
yeah.
Okay, every crystal have a medicine. It's like you have everything
Yeah, it's
on earth.
actually connected to the nature. This is crystals actually parts of the nature.
Okay.
Okay, so they have the power,
Power.
energy actually.
And this one?
This is the same jade. This is the
Okay.
pencil.
Okay.
We clear the energy. So
Okay.
someone come to the energy with negative energy or whatever the energy. I'm clearing the energies actually.
Okay.
Vanish off.
How you do that? Can you show it?
Yeah, it's do like
Throw out my negative energies.
there is a
Huh.
like this.
So my all negative energies are out.
Yeah, we are giving a thought actually while doing this. So yeah, we
I want my all videos should be popular, positive, viral. Yeah. So this is positive. If negative comes, chalega, nahi chalega, to negative goes away.
Yeah.
Very nice. So I mean,
It's a cleansing tool actually.
can we take it for our daily basis, and we can do it on?
Yeah, you can take it as well. You can keep it in your home.
Because
actually.
morning somebody gets stress, or you know, negative thoughts, hoga ke nahi hoga. So you can do it yourself also.
Yeah.
Is there is a way of doing it, or just it's a normal way of doing it? Is there is a something we have to follow?
There is some symbols. Actually, it's using Reiki.
Okay.
Okay, so there is some symbols. Okay, so we use symbols.
Okay.
And we are creating symbol actually.
Okay, you're creating symbol.
Yeah.
What is that symbol name is like?
It's a chokore,
Chokore.
seiki.
Okay.
There is so many.
My God. And this, would you like to explain what is the use of
This
this?
is the crystal bottle.
Okay.
Okay. So someone actually, if someone affected by trauma or something,
Depression,
okay, depression,
anxiety.
or if someone want good energy, okay, peace of mind,
Yeah.
if someone expecting, then actually this is the water bottle. Okay.
How you do? Okay, put water and drink.
Yeah, drink. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's charge actually.
Oh God! So you have a crystal water bottle to heal yourself. Every day we should drink water
Yeah.
normally, and it will be like this only.
Yeah.
Wow, this is, I think, very
We can
interesting.
charge anything by crystal, food, anything.
I can see this, ma'am, something very decorative and very nice. Once, I think I would love to keep in the house, and you know, this is something mix of everything. So can you explain me about that? And I know this is also crystal,
Yeah.
but I think you have mix of everything in this, right?
Yeah, this is the 7 chakra tree, which is balancing our 7 chakra.
Okay.
Okay. And also it's balancing the 7 energies in your
Okay.
house. So
Okay.
if you keep it in your house, then it's actually cleansing your
But
energy.
from where we can get this? The
You
true
can-
thing.
You can get this from me, from social website.
Okay, it's available.
Yeah.
Crystal tree.
Yeah, but it should be charged.
Charged. That
again.
is more important.
Yeah.
So that should be charged by the tarot reader or astrologer, or who have a knowledge of crystals, right?
Yeah, who have the energy.
Okay. Who have the energy.
Yeah.
Wow.
That person should be grandmaster or healer. Then it will work.
So I
Only
think
tarot reader will not
do
heal.
it.
Yeah.
Okay.